All right, Greg here, Underground Graphics. We're back on the Gladiator again. We're trying to finish up our shop Jeep. Wanted to show you guys how we do the hoods. I've got most of this stuff already prepped, but again, to prep the hood, obviously you want to clean it really good. We use a alcohol water mix. Again, this has already been prepped, but I just want to wipe down, make sure there's no dust, nothing on there. Just go over there real quick with the clean microfiber towel. This is a kind of an awkward position doing these hoods. So I've got a little step stool in front of the bumper. I also have a steel bumper, so I can step on that bumper. Up to you how you feel about stepping on your vehicle. But it's you know, if you have a plastic bumper, just put a towel over it or whatever you will. But again, you do have to get up here. You want to be almost right on top of it. These kits are going to be designed to fit exactly within the lines of the hood, and it's going to have cutouts for those windshield bumpers. Now the hood we're installing today is, again, for our shop Jeep, so it's going to be a little bit different as far as color, but this is a 2-layer. It's going to have the yellow pinstripe with the carbon fiber top layer. We are trying to layer these now for you. Makes them a little easier to install, a little harder for us to send out, but again, we wanted to make this as easy as possible for y'all to do. So again, I've got some masking tape, as you can see, already pre-cut on there. I'm gonna get up on this bumper now and really get a good look, make sure I got this exactly where I want it. You can really center to those windshield bumpers, but confirm it at the back. And once you got that where you want it, make sure your hands are clean as well. Again, it's air release. It does amazing things. Really easy to install. Again, as long as you have the mask on there, you can use the hard edge of that squeegee. Do not recommend that if it's just open exposed vinyl. Then you want to do a felt end or wrap a microfiber or a shirt around the edge of it. Once that back is tacked, now we can kind of see what I'm doing here, holding that as one piece. Come back down. Start working your way back down to the other side. Overlapping strokes. And again, kind of working that from that center out. If there is any stress, it'll even that out as it gets to the edges. Tools I'm using for this, again, microfiber towel, pair of scissors, masking tape, heat gun. It's a pretty flat surface. Recommended to post heat, not 100% necessary on a flat surface, but if there is any issue in there, anything you missed, a little bit of heat, that will show. It'll pop up, and just let that cool for a minute, lay it back down and reheat. Again, this is our test bed for this. Doing these multiple layers pre-done is not what we're used to doing, but we wanted to do it so make sure it's easy for you guys to do. I can already see I've got a hairline of yellow showing up near that bumper. So on future kits, we're gonna squeeze that in a little bit more and make sure we got a little bit of room to move. But this is why we do this on our vehicles first. Still hardly noticeable. This looks fantastic. Again, no need to show us go back with the heat gun, but light heat, go over that, and you'd be good to go.